Hello everyone, welcome to Scott's Honest Reviews. Today we are reviewing something that I have been wanting to review for a long time, and that is a dash cam. Now you might be thinking to yourself, wait, you have done tons of dash cams. Well, this is a little different. This dash cam is something that goes on your mirror. Now let's go over some specs real quick. It's 1080 at 30 frames per second. You can also do 1920, 1080, and that's, you know, a whole bunch of other stuff. So let's get to the unboxing. I know you guys like to get things rolling and don't like wasting time. If you're interested, you can find this product in my video description. Holy cow, that is huge. That is much bigger than I had originally thought. So, wow. So this is the camera, and apparently I think, yeah, comes with a reverse camera as well. So you got a front and a rear view camera. I don't know if we're going to use that or not, but this clips on and you're good to go. Now this might be too bulky. It might be a little annoying. We'll see. Let's position this here and take off the front cover. Let's take off. It's got a little film on here. So far it's pretty nice though. It's interesting, it's going to be interesting to see how it clips on. So you want to add an SD card to it. It goes in right here. You got your power supply right here. This goes into your cigarette outlet. So you just plug it in and run the wire. So let's go ahead and take it out and let's actually test this thing out. So it's a very simple concept. You put these rubber things that come with it right in the grooves here on both sides, and then you're going to actually connect them to the bottom side, but you connect it once it's around your mirror. So I'll show you guys in a little bit. Alright, so wow, that is your mirror is actually bigger. It's actually pretty nice, to be quite honest with you guys. We're gonna have to adjust it as we're driving, and we're gonna have to adjust the camera. The camera's on the back on this side, so we can rotate that around. Try not to touch the lens. So let's go ahead and plug it in. Okay, we can put this cord back here. Wow. The glare's not letting it pick up. Like, I don't see the glare as bad, but that is awesome. That camera is very good quality. So we're gonna want to rotate it. The camera's gonna have to be rotated, so it's hard to do that with one hand. But yeah, it starts recording once it's plugged in. All right, there we go. Alright, we got it almost where we want it. Looks like that's as far as we can go. Now we want to adjust the mirror here. So mode. Oh, you can actually... Oh, you can keep it off so you don't have to see it, or you can press the button. Now, I'm assuming when you hook up the rear view camera, it's gonna be like over in here, I would guess. Maybe not. Okay guys, that is awesome. As soon as we plugged it in, you can see the rear view right here. So let's show. See guys, see if you can see my face. Let's get it right side up. So there's actually no wiring. Look at that guys, what's up? That is awesome. So you just run the wire the whole way to the back of your vehicle, and you'll have the rear view all the time. I don't know for recording, if it records it at all, like if it's recording both now or not. I don't know how that works, but that is awesome. So we actually might hook that up in the future. So super cool, definitely gets a 9 out of 10 so far. Links in my video description if you're interested.
Hey guys, I wanted to stop and take a very quick break and ask if you guys could hit that like button on this video and also subscribe to my channel. That would mean a lot to me. It is very hard to grow these days, and if you could do that, that would mean so much to me. I really do appreciate it.